He's actually heated up the bottom of the top half of the glass and he's stretching the stem out to create it. Just one glass won't take very long. They'll blow it fairly quickly. You can see they'll have it done in a moment. But it'll have to go into the kiln overnight over here. So it won't actually get finished for maybe 2 days or so. There's a great photo opportunity coming up here, but it's about to happen very quickly. I would suggest you press record instead of trying to capture the photo. They're about to attach the foot to the stem. So this is how they put the foot on the stem of a glass. So that's one part of stemware. We're going to see that again, don't worry. So we're going to watch one of those glasses being made from start to finish now. All the way over on the left hand side of the platform, you have a piece of molten crystal being pre-shaped. That's what the crystal looks like when it comes out of the furnace. You can see it all the way over there on the left. Now that glass over on the left is back where we saw the first one being. It's getting the stem stretched out at the moment and then it's attaching the foot. The piece over on the right is a larger piece. They're making a diamond bowl at the moment. This more diamond, that is. So that's getting pre-shaped at the moment. Now because that's a rather large piece, it needs to go back into a portable furnace in order to good. Well, a pleasure enjoying it.
Thank you.
Craftsmen are working on their individual. Now the wheels that they're working on, just so we're aware, are diamond tipped wheels. They're not sold. All the different size and shape wheels that they use are on the wall opposite where I'm standing. They'll be on your left as you're coming down. Have a look at those. They need to be able to manually change the wheel. Perfect circles and exact angles. There are some patterns that are designed computers in mind nowadays. So we use it on those. Folks, if you don't mind, would you just be able to stay behind the yellow line while you're down there? I'd really appreciate that. Thanks so much. So do have a look at what's going on in there. While you're down there, there's a shelf over on the left-hand side that shows an example of some computer design pieces.